I want you to really get this, because if you get this, this can change your life. Abundance is more real than lack. We only feel lack when we are craving emotional fulfillment. Lack is literally empty space. By law, lack is technically not real. It is emptiness. It is empty space. It's an illusion. It's an illusion of perception. By default, by the natural law of vacuum, what is empty must be replaced and refilled by law. What is empty must be replenished and refilled. Abundance is replenishment. It is soul replenishment.